I need help. These pests, I tell you, they are pestilence. Me want food. My gardening family, man, I sure got a hard hit with this container right here. Am I disappointed? Very disappointed. But what to do? My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Welcome and welcome back to my garden family. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Salute to all of you who have been sharing out my videos. I have been seeing the shares. Thank you so much. I appreciate you one and all. Welcome to all my new gardening family. I appreciate you coming on board, and thank you so much to all my loyal supporters. Enough love and respect to you all. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. So this container that I had some seeds in, I realized that, well, some of the seeds, I wasn't expecting them to germinate as yet, but some of them should have germinated already. When I took the knife and I said, let me see if I see anything, like maybe for the beetroot. So they sprout very quickly, so I didn't see my beetroot. And I just start look in the entire thing. Lo and behold, I don't see any of my seeds. None of them. Believe you me. I don't see like something was germinating or anything. And I mean, like, I am not seeing anything. And I shouldn't even be going down so far because they weren't so far down, right? So it's a good thing I decided, you know what, let me check, because it's quite unusual for certain things not to sprout as yet. So that is the case right now. So when I found out yesterday in the evening, I said, you know what? I went right on it and I just sow me some new seeds inside this. So I added fresh soil in here and I just sow me some seeds because, boy. So of course, things like this do happen in the garden. I know it can be very disheartening, but we just have to continue. We just have to press and push. I know sometimes it feels like, you're making headway, like you're moving forward in the garden, and then another time it seems as if you're going backwards. But it is like that. Things do happen, like pests or what is happening to me now, where I just have to start over. Seeds. All right, so I've sown seeds before this, and then I had to be away from home for a couple of days, and they didn't make it, and so I did these. And now this happened to me, so I have to start again with what I showed you earlier. And so, me want food. I want to have food in my garden. And so, I feel away. I feel away. Yes, I am disappointed. I mean, because I wanted to be on my way of having more food, but that's just how it is. I'm just brushing off and just pressing on. A lot of my gardening friends will tell you that it's numerous amount of failures that got them to where they are today in gardening. I can attest to that. You understand? So, yes, you're going to have delays, you're going to have setbacks, and you're going to have disappointments. But what say you? Are you going to continue in your disappointment and do nothing? Or are you going to take that disappointment as a stepping stone to move further and to press harder? Just to encourage you, breathe and come again. The aim is to grow our food. We got this and we can do it. I got you, you got me. We are in this together. We're going to shoot for the star. Let's do this, guys. So my mint over here, I guess we can safely say that it has died. Oh boy. I don't think mint like me, no. I really don't think mint like me in the garden at all. These 2 buckets of sweet potatoes. Like the front one, I don't know what's happening. I'm going to leave it for a little and then I just empty it and see what's happening. This one over here, as you can see, they are being plagued by pests. They have been eating down the leaves. They were flourishing and all, but this is what is left of them now. This cucumber over here, I was trying my very best to see if I can get some more cucumbers out of it, because there are a lot of baby ones on there, and I was trying to see if they could actually grow into some nice cucumbers. But the pests, the worms, I have been trying my very best. Like, they have been plaguing my cucumber vine like crazy. But I'm still going to give them a little spray with some garlic water and see if if the vine will take a little turn. Well, if it does, it's a win. But if it doesn't, that's just how it is. I have eaten and gotten so many cucumbers off of here. So, yeah. Now, these ones over here, I have been searching it for the worms. I've been seeing worms on them as well. So, I am going to give it a little spray as well. Looks like one is in here. Ah, I can feel it. Squash it out. So I'm going to also spray this with the garlic water. Oh, by the way, the pear tomato that I had inside here, gardening with Bernie told me to take it out of his misery, and that's exactly what I did. I moved it from there. Well, I took it out of its misery. Now, my round red beans over here. These pests, I tell you, they are pestilence. All right, so I realized that slugs have been eating them down. I can and I could have taken them out, but I decided not to. I'm allowing them to be trap crop so that the slugs can stay in this location and leave the rest of my garden alone so they can feast on that. Whew. They were trying to get to my string beans right here, but I see that they are fighting their way through, so that's not a bad look at all. No, I need help. Over here, my potatoes. Can you see? Oh my word. I'm seeing that some of the leaves are turning brown. Like, you all have to help me. I need help. I need to know what to do. I have been researching it for the past 2 days. I'm not getting anything solid. It's just mixed information. And I'm like very confused based on what I've been researching. I'm like confused, like what to do. But I know for sure that I'm going to take off all of them, all of the leaves that you're seeing turning brown. Yes, I'm going to strip these babies and see. So the latest ones that we planted together over here, they are pretty fine. I'm not seeing any sort of brown going on there, but they're fairly young, so I am even looking out to see if any changes. Oh boy, I am not liking this at all. I mean, who would like this? So all my potato growers, check, tell me, talk to me, my family, talk to me. All right, so over here, my passion fruit tree, something has been eating it. They are having a feast around here. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm like, I should have let it continue to run along there. Now I regret putting it right here. And now I don't want to move it. Like, I'm going to try to combat whatever is happening. I'm going to spray it down with the garlic water as well. Look here. I think I see one of the culprits. Look there. I mean, what is that? Whew. You have to go. See another one here? Right here. I don't know what those are. I think I've shown you my strawberries or what is left of my strawberries the other day. Now it's even worse. They are gone, gone. But I am sourcing more. So, yeah, things do happen in the garden, but you just cannot let it get the best of you. You have to look past it and just move on. All right, guys, so this is my garlic water. I already boiled and it was cooling. So I'm just going to, strain it off. All right, so I'm straining it off because I don't want the little debris to stuck up in my spray bottle right here. So I'm just straining it and get those little brats. All right, ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, so gardening does have its ups and downs. We just have to do what we have to do and be aggressive about growing what we eat and eating what we grow. All right, thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good. Nice place to live, sweet jam.